In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Elevenlabs within N8n. This process should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to head over to Elevenlabs free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. Open your web browser and navigate to the Elevenlabs website. Once there, you will see an option to sign in at the top of the page. Give that a click. Now, if you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's a straightforward process and you'll be up and running in no time. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Elevenlabs home. This is your central hub where you can navigate to various sections. Next, we're going to access our workspace. Look for the section labeled My Workspace and click on it. My Workspace acts as the headquarters for your projects and tools within Elevenlabs, and it's here that we manage the settings we need for integration. Our goal now is to locate the API keys section. This section is crucial because it allows Elevenlabs to communicate securely with N8n. Within My Workspace, look for the API keys option and give that a click. Once you're in the API keys section, you'll need to create a new API key. Don't worry, it's a simple step. You should see a Create API Key button. Click on it, and a new key will be generated. Now that you have your API key, the next step is to make sure that you copy this key securely. It might be tempting to save it in a document or jot it down somewhere, but it's essential to ensure it's stored safely and not shared with anyone else. With your API key copied, it's time to switch over to N8n. Open up N8n in your browser. Here, you'll want to locate the settings where you can input this API key. Paste the key in the appropriate field to establish a connection between Elevenlabs and N8n. Once pasted, save the changes. And there you have it, a configured integration between Elevenlabs and N8n. This setup will allow you to use Elevenlabs' powerful text-to-speech and AI features directly within N8n. It's a seamless way to enhance your workflows with advanced voice solutions. Remember, if you ever need to revoke the API key or generate a new one, just head back to the API Keys section in Elevenlabs. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to configure Elevenlabs within N8n. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Have a great day setting up your new integration.